Chief Minister 𝐁𝐕 denies permission for Congress Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. Yatra to begin from 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 War Memorial Complex, says MPCC President 𝐂𝐲𝐶. And top military officials of 3 corps led by GOC visit Moreh, review security. Hello Kurumjiri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie Thiam. Now the news in detail. The government of Manipur has denied ground permission for 600-kilometer-long Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, which is slated to begin from Hatta Kangjibung, Imphal on January 14, causing huge disappointment and setback for the Congress party. The campaign of the All India Congress Committee was set to commence from Imphal on January 14, led by AICC leader MP Rahul Gandhi, and conclude on March 20, 2024 in Mumbai, spanning east to west of India. This was informed by President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, President 𝐂𝐲𝐶, while speaking to media just after a team of MPCC met with Chief Minister of Manipur 𝐁𝐕 at Chief Minister Bungalow this morning. The MPCC was seeking the permission from the BJP-ruled state government to start the yatra from Hatta Kangjibung. During the meeting, Chief Minister 𝐁𝐕 reportedly denied permission for the yatra, saying that the current law and order situation in the state is critical and public gathering is not advisable as of now. Addressing media persons, MPCC President 𝐂𝐲𝐶 said the Chief Minister has denied ground permission to commence the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, which is a democratic campaign to be attended by Chief Ministers of different states of the country, citing critical law and order situation in the state. Reacting to the declination of permission from the government, 𝐂𝐲𝐶 pointed out that Chief Minister 𝐁𝐕 has been claiming that law and order situation in the state has improved and questioned as to why he is denying permission to hold a democratic movement in the state. Maintaining that it is not a political movement, he said that it is peaceful yatra of the common people to deliver justice and no party flag will be used during the yatra. While terming the government's declination as extremely unfortunate, the MPCC president said arrangements are being made to hold the yatra for peace at 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 War Memorial Complex in Thoubal district. He reiterated that denying permission from the yatra while claiming that peace has been restored in the state shows that the situation in the state is far from being improved.
Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra ga mari leinana akhoi pangthokadaba venue pangthokadaba mafam si sarkar na ngahandagi January gi tang 2 da ground permission se pion thaba ngasi numit 8 ni sure numit 8 ni si confirmation ama supi pi da basida chief minister da confirmation se lowa changbani ado honorable chief minister na mafam se pidre he declined to give the permission for the venue. Piraroi haina haire aduna is a very unfortunate mana piraroi haibasi situation ji phatte situation ji yenga piroi khakta hai atai karimta haite aduna masidi ekoi Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra sidi party ki phian baksiji naroi ekoi masi yamna shanti hoina adagi chatkadabani tongan ba state ki chief minister MP MLA mayam chatkadabani aduna masidai sida tongan ba ekoi gi disturb tawgadaba sarkar da kungadaba khokadaba so amata laiti na haire adusu situation jina piroroi na haibasi ekoi masi it's a very unfortunate haibtai aduna asi adum ground gi Hatta Kangjibung palace compound dai koina January gi tangani da thagi basima wai laitre piroroi haire ba Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra sidi yamna ekoi shanti gi oiba Miyam ki justice ki namakta tawbanina akhoi soidana pangthokani akhoi masi Thoubal gi private lane amada akhoi masi pangthoni aduna sarkar na pidragasu akhoi gi di yamna democratic oiba yam constitutional oiba adagi miyam gi oiba khongchetni adagi justice ki oiba khongchetni nupi singi oiba khongchetni ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 13ꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ right from now ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ preparation ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 3-4ꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯐꯨꯇꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯍꯤꯡ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯖꯣꯔꯣ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯋꯥꯔ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯖꯤꯠꯇ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯂꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ.
Top army officials of Spear Corps visited Moray and undertook comprehensive security review at Moray in Tengnopal district yesterday. Meanwhile, Chief Minister of Manipur 𝐿 has said mass combing operation will continue at Moray. Top army officials team led by Lieutenant General 𝐻𝐸𝐯𝐞𝐰𝐬, General Officer Commanding GOC 3 Corps, accompanied by Inspector General of Assam Rifles South, Major General Ranjan Saratwat, visited the Assam Rifles unit at Moray, Tengnopal district and undertook the comprehensive security review. During this visit, 𝐻𝐸𝐯𝐞𝐰𝐬 engaged in a comprehensive interaction with civil society organization wherein aspects for early of normalcy were discussed, said PIV Defense Wing. The visit was aimed at enhancing coordination, understanding ground realities and fostering open communication channels between the military leadership and operational units. Meanwhile, Chief Minister of Manipur 𝐿 has categorically stated that a mass combing and search operation will continue at the border town of Moray. While speaking to some reporters on the present situation at Moray after attending the 198th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir yesterday, Chief Minister 𝐿 said that some militants have again attacked security forces at Moray a few days back. It is the primary duty of his government to protect the people and the land of the state, he said. The unified command constituted under the Ministry of Home Affairs, which includes Assam Rifles, border security forces and state police, are countering the attack of militants there at Moray. Everyone is keeping on alert as there is a chance of new attacks from the militants and combing operation is on, he said.
I'm not talking only particularizing the Moray. This what is happening in and around the state of Manipur, particularly the confusion created between the hills and the valley. This is because of some of the vested interested officers who were working in the forest department and the revenue department. They illegally, without thinking of their prerogatives and power, they given recognition to the village inside a reserve forest, and they have given a pata inside a water body. That kind of things happen, and that such confusion, whatever today we are facing, is because of that. Moray, you see, some militant have attacked state police and central police forces. And it is our primary duty to protect the people's land of the state. So the unified command, under the ministry, Assam Rifles, border security forces and the state forces are joined together, and they are countering the attack of the militants. And yesterday was only around 6:37, some firing was came from the hilltops, and that was retaliated by the joint forces, combined forces by Assam Rifles, BSF and the state police commandos. Till now, that is peaceful, but there is a chances of new attacks. So everyone is keeping in alert, and the combing operation is on, and a mass combing operation will be continued.
Lieutenant General Ramchandar Tiwari, General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Eastern Command, called on Governor 𝐿 at Raj Bhavan, Imphal yesterday. The governor and the GOC discussed the prevailing law and order situation in Manipur and efforts to restore normalcy soon. The governor congratulated him on assuming the charge of Eastern Army Command and further shared her views and suggestions for restoring normalcy in the state. Governor 𝐿 also commended the continuous efforts of Indian Army and Assam Rifles in restoring peace in Manipur and their dedication to maintain security and stability in the state. In a joint operation, the Special Task Force of Assam Police and Karimganj District Police seized contraband drugs worth 100 crore rupees in Karimganj District, Assam yesterday. The joint operation, spearheaded by Deputy Inspector General Assam Parthasarathi Mahanta and Superintendent of Police Partha Pratim Das, the Special Task Force, in collaboration with Karimganj Police, launched an operation in Suparkandi area under Neelam Bazar Police around 2:15 yesterday. During the operation, the joint team seized 5.1 kilograms of heroin alongside 64,000 yaba tablets. Additionally, the authorities also discovered and seized 4 packets of foreign cigarettes. The operation also led to the apprehension of 4 individuals. A Maruti S-Presso vehicle bearing registration number MZ06A1422 was also confiscated during the operation. Those arrested individuals have been identified as Nur Ahmed, a resident of Patarkandi in Karimganj, as well as Josang Liani Ramgiaka and Laljam Liana, all hailing from Tengzol, Mizoram. DIG Assam Partha Saratu said that this interception marks one of the largest drug seizures in eastern India, primarily considering its substantial market value. The estimated worth of this seizure is at least rupees 100 crores in the current market. The spike in prices is attributed to the continuous and effective operations coupled with the aggressive actions taken up by the Assam Police. A combined team of Assam Rifles and Manipur Police recovered several arms and ammunition during a joint operation in Churachandpur district yesterday. A police report said, acting on a tip-off, the combined team conducted a joint operation and recovered 1 9mm carbine, 1 9mm pistol, 5 single-barrel rifles, 1 tear gas gun, 8 hand grenades, 5 improvised mortar ammunition. The arms and ammunition have been handed over to Hangla Police Station for further investigation. Manipur police yesterday arrested 12 women in connection with a recent viral video case where a young woman was beaten up by a group of persons suspected to be members of Huyen Mamom on the charge of celebrating 31st night and New Year for consuming alcohol. It is reported that a suo motu case and an FIR was registered under 66E IT Act 2000 at Imphal Police Station. It is further reported that during the course of investigation, 12 accused persons were arrested in connection with the case yesterday. Now let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
Diabetes ko loina de hinglibasing thamagi manungda control toba ngamlei. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hanthaba ngamlei. Khong hamba nungaitabasu numit manganigi manungda fahanba ngamlei. Bile saibadi nungsan nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamlei. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamlei. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oiba ngamlei. Fatty liver oibasu thamagi manungda fagathanba ngamlei. Pungnamak natural oiba hidak makalna lain jabani. Hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Hena kupa parogidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School, Excellence in Education.
Introducing a newbie challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle. Sense of wellness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited seats, so grab the opportunity. We also provide a specialized classes on main topic like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solution, second floor, JESSY Building, More Market, Pauna Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Welcome back. In two separate operations, the Assam Rifles, Mizoram Police and Customs Department recovered 139 grams of heroin number 4 worth rupees 97.30 lakh and 20 cases of foreign origin cigarettes worth rupees 26 lakh in the general area of Crossing Point 1, 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐓𝐕 and 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐓𝐕, Champai in two separate operations in Champai district on Monday. Reports said that based on a specific information, a combined team of Assam Rifles, 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐓𝐕 and Champai from the Customs Preventive Force carried out the operations. The entire consignment of heroin number 4 and foreign origin cigarettes worth 1,23,30,000 rupees and apprehended individuals who have been handed over to Police Department, 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐓𝐕 and Customs Preventive Force, Champai for further legal proceedings. Chief of Naval Staff Admiral R. Hari Kumar today flagged off the first indigenously manufactured DRISTI 10 Starliner unmanned aerial vehicle UAV for the Navy. The sophisticated state-of-the-art UAV marks a significant step towards strategic autonomy and technological leadership in high-endurance, combat-proven and indigenous advanced aerial systems. DRISTI 10 Starliner is an advanced intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance ISR platform with 36 hours endurance, 450 kgs payload capacity, the only all-weather military platform with STANAC 4671 certification and cleared to fly in both segregated and unsegregated airspace. Admiral R. Hari Kumar said this is a momentous occasion and a transformative step in India's quest for self-reliance in ISR technology and maritime supremacy. Adani Group has demonstrated its commitment to unmanned systems, having worked systematically over the last many years to develop local capabilities not limited to manufacturing but sustenance through MRO. DRISTI 10's integration into the naval operations will enhance naval capabilities, strengthening preparedness for the ever-evolving maritime surveillance and reconnaissance, he said. The flag-off ceremony took place at Adani Aerospace Park in Hyderabad. Adani Defence and Aerospace is building capabilities to help achieve self-reliance in defense and security and also take a global leadership position in the sector. Adani Defence and Aerospace has already established capabilities in a wide domain such as small arms, unmanned aerial vehicles, radars, defense electronics and avionics, tactical communication systems and electro-optical systems to support the Army and other paramilitary forces. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India is progressing as Vishwamitra in the changing world order and the world is looking at India as an important pillar of stability. Addressing at the inaugural session of the 10th Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar, Modi reiterated India's commitment to develop sustainable industries infrastructure, new age skills, green and clean energy and semiconductor ecosystem in the country. The Prime Minister expressed confidence that India will be among the top 3 economies of the world in the coming years. Assuring full support to the businesses, he resolved to support businesses in achieving their dreams. Prime Minister said with the 10th edition of Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit, the India's relations with UAE and Africa have further strengthened. He called the summit as a true gateway for the development. UAE President Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan was the chief guest of the event. President of Mozambique Filipe Nyusi and President of Timor-Leste Jose Ramos Horta, Union Minister Piyush Goyal and Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, along with business representatives from more than 100 countries, attended the inaugural session. Former President Ramnath Kovind has expressed concern over fake news paid news, and deepfake, saying one has to be ready to tackle the challenges arising out due to the emergence of new technology. Addressing at the 55th convocation ceremony of the Indian Institute of Mass Communication in New Delhi, Kovind said that the wrong information adversely impacts society and there is a need to look into this challenge. In this context, he said the budding journalist has a great responsibility to provide credible information. The former president also touched upon sensationalism created by media for high TRP, underlining that it is a challenge to maintain the values of journalism. He added that it is a duty of journalists to protect the interest of common citizens. During the function, more than 700 students of 2021 to 2022 and 2022 to 23 batches were awarded PG diploma degrees. IIMC DG Anupma Bhatnagar and other senior officials were present during the event. Bhutan's Election Commission announced on January 10 that 𝐶𝐸𝐸 𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐸 has been elected as a prime minister for a second term. His party won nearly two-thirds of the seats. 𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐸, head of the Liberal People's Democratic Party, who served as Prime Minister of the Himalayan Kingdom from 2013 to 2018, won 30 of 47 seats in Tuesday's election, official figures showed. With 17 seats gained, the recently formed Bhutan Tendril Party will serve as the opposition for the ensuing 5 years. The election was primarily influenced by serious economic challenges that have questioned the Himalayan Kingdom's traditional policy of prioritizing gross national happiness over economic growth. Bhutan lies sandwiched between the globe's two most populous countries, China and India, who watched the vote with keen interest as they eye strategic contested border zones. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated 𝐶𝐸𝐸 𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐸 and the People's Democratic Party for winning the parliamentary elections in Bhutan. He expressed his eagerness to collaborate with them once more to further fortify the special bonds of friendship and collaboration that exist between the two nations. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren denies permission for Congress Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. Yatra to begin from Khongjom War Memorial Complex, says MPCC President 𝐾𝐲𝐶. And top military officials of 3 corps led by GOC visit Mori, review security. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.